Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre this Saturday. It's cool and breezy this afternoon along much of the South African coastline, but the hot conditions continue over the interior with maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 30s until at least Monday in Gauteng, Northwest and the Free State. There were large thunderstorms overnight in KwaZulu-Natal. This morning started off partly cloudy over southern Namibia and the central parts of South Africa, and it was cloudy to begin with along the southeast coast, together with reports of light rain. We're expecting scattered thunderstorms late this afternoon and into the evening hours over KwaZulu-Natal, isolated thunderstorms later on over Mpumalanga and the Free State, even the extreme southern parts of Gauteng, while rain will start clearing along the Western Cape South Coast and isolated showers could continue over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. There's a high fire danger for today over the western and central interior due to very hot and windy conditions in the Northern Cape, Free State and Northwest, and there's a watch for severe thunderstorms over the northwestern interior of KZN, together with a possibility of large hail and damaging winds. We're expecting a cool afternoon along the west coast, together with fresh southerly to southwesterly winds. It stays mostly cloudy along the east coast overnight, but it remains very hot over the northern parts despite a chance of thunderstorms. Tomorrow we're expecting an onshore circulation in KwaZulu-Natal, resulting in cooler conditions, but it will remain very hot over the northern interior with maximum temperatures reaching the low 40s in places. Now let's take a closer look at the wind forecast for today. Very strong winds expected over the central parts with speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour in Bloemfontein, fresh southwesterlies in Cape Town and Vredendal, and a fresh to strong southwesterly wind in PE. Maximum temperatures reach the upper 30s over much of the northern interior, 36 in Pretoria and Bombela today, 37 expected in Mahikeng. It's cooler though along the south coast with a high of only 19 degrees in George. Tomorrow morning we're expecting low temperatures over the western and southern interior, a minimum of 9 degrees possible in Vredendal, 4 overnight in Sutherland, George dropping to a low of 11 degrees, but it's warmer along the east coast, 20 degrees forecast for Durban and Richards Bay, and it's a warm evening ahead over the northern interior with lows down to 20 in Polokwane. We're expecting a very hot afternoon tomorrow in Gauteng, 38 degrees in Pretoria with isolated thunderstorms possible, especially so over the Mpumalanga Highveld, and light rain is expected in KZN. On Monday, dry, clear conditions for the western parts with isolated thunderstorms continuing in the north. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.